Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some curry chicken with baigan and aloo. Not traditionally used in curry chicken, but I love to put baigan when I'm making curry chicken just to make it a little healthier for the family. So if your kids have a hard time eating eggplant or baigan, this is a great way of hiding it in their food. We're going to start with our clean chicken, and I'm going to season with salt. Next, I'm going to go in with complete seasoning. You can use an all-purpose seasoning or chicken seasoning, whatever you have on hand. Minced garlic. In goes some chopped pimento peppers and onions. Celery and scythe chopped, or scallions as we say. 1 tomato chopped, and I'm also going to go in with a few curry leaves that I'll just blister between my fingertips just to add some flavor. Going in with green seasoning, and my green seasoning does contain pudina or Cuban oregano. And we're going to give this a mix. Mix well and allow it to marinate overnight, or you can use it right away or marinate for up to an hour. We're going to place our pot on medium heat, and to that we're going to add in our oil. To the oil, I'm adding in some fenugreek or meaty seeds and some geera or cumin seeds. Let that toast. And then I'm going to go in with aromatics. I have chopped pimento peppers, hot peppers, curry leaves, and onions. Saute until it's light brown in color. Now once it's light brown in color, we'll add in our curry powder. So you see how it looks? You don't want it to burn. So I'm using this curry powder from Dhalpuri, and I'm going to go in with my curry. I'm going in with my turmeric powder because we're going to be making a blend, and amchar masala along with some geera. Now we're going to toast this on low until it feels grainy for about 1 minute. Never toast your curry on high, because if you do, you can burn the curry and then it will have a really bitter taste. Now I'm going to go in with water to help cook the curry. Now you'll see that it's very liquidy at this time, right? So that's the water in there. You're going to allow it to cook until the water starts to reduce and this turns into a thick paste. You see how it's thickening up? You'll see the oils start separating from the curry, and that's when you'll know that it's ready for your protein. See how it looks? Now drop in the chicken. And you're going to give this a mix and allow it to fry up in that curry on a high heat. Yes, now your heat has to be turned to high because we want to bungee this down. It's going to let out its natural juices, and it's going to bungee down and lock in that flavor into the chicken. And you guys can use this same method and try beef or goat or pork. It's really delicious. Now we're going to go in with the eggplant or baigan and the potato or aloo. Give that a mix. Now I'm not adding any salt because we already seasoned the chicken with salt. So when it's almost finished cooking, then we'll taste and we can adjust at the end. But you don't want to over put too much of salt. You can always add, but you can't take out. So bring it up to a bubble and allow it to cook until the eggplant starts to dissolve. So you'll notice you can't see the eggplant anymore. That's how we're going to trick the kids into eating a healthy vegetable. I'm just adding in some more liquid to help this to cook. We want to make sure that the potatoes are thoroughly cooked, and your sauce will thicken also. So just allow this to cook until it's done and your potatoes are tender. So you see how it looks? Make sure and taste and adjust at this point, and then this is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it. Let me know what you think. If it's something you already make, let everyone know how delicious it is. Thank you all for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.